guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a review, first impressions. I ordered this the second it launched, but it's taken me until now to finally do the video for it. So I'm so sorry about that, but I will be reviewing the new Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. I know that all the reviews have already been up already, but you know what? It's never too late to do it. So I figured I will go ahead and do the review for you guys because I'm so excited to play with this. I'm trying to hold off on watching a bunch of reviews. I did watch Tati's video because I wanted to see, you know, I like being knowledgeable on a product as much as I can, especially when the creator is showing it, so that like if there's like tips and tricks or things we should know about it, I like to know about those in advance. So one thing that I did take away from her video was that there are, you know, pressed glitters in here, and you know, they're not meant for the eyes, but if you're gonna use them for the eyes, to be careful. So I like that she mentioned that, especially for any, you know, people who are new to makeup or really don't understand pressed glitters. So anyways, that is kind of something I took away from the video, but before I dive into my review, I just want to go ahead and remind you guys to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell before you leave. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. It truly means the world to me. I love you guys. And let's just dive right into the first impressions. I need some brushes. I just took the sleeve off. Again, this is a volume 1 of her palettes. We're going to open it up together. I've not opened it at all, so you're going to see it before me. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow, hang on, let me take the sleeve off. There it is in all its glory. I will do swatches for you guys, but I like to do the eyes first, to just like dive right in to like how they perform, and then we'll see how they swatch, because shadows never perform the same way they swatch. It's either like even better, way worse, or way better. So I like, oh my gosh, this mirror is incredible. I don't even need the one that's like right here. Oh, bye-bye. I did my foundation already, so say a prayer. But oh my gosh, they just look so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna dive right in. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in. Let me know if you guys like this camera angle better. I'm trying a little bit different angle for like better lighting. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna start out oh, I need to prime my eyes. So I'm gonna be starting out with the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. I love this stuff. It has a really good color to it. It does a good job. I really wish I knew where to find this. I got it at BoxyCharm when I was still getting BoxyCharm. But I love it a lot. Wait, I'm gonna use my sponge to blend that out. Actually, it's easier. I'm gonna start out with the shade Aura, which is, I'm gonna start with the matte Aura. So these do have some kickback, I'm already noticing. But that's something that doesn't bother me specifically. You know, that's kind of like a personal preference thing. Cause it's not transferring in that sense to the eyes. Like, it's so far saying that's a really pigmented for being a light shade. Like that's pigmented. You barely, wow. Okay, so you barely have to touch into this palette so far, I'm noticing. Like, I'm barely touching in. I'm getting exactly what I need. And I'm just using this shade to set the eyeshadow base and just kind of create a nice all around even tone that makes blending much easier. Wow, that's so brightening. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna go in to Soothe, the matte one. And I'm gonna pop this into my crease as well. And I'm going to, where do I wanna bring this? So this is laying down nicely so far, and I'm not getting any fallout yet, but I've used the safe shade so far. So we will see how it goes. Okay, so to soften that, I'm actually gonna go in with the sequence version of Soothe, just because this has a little bit of shimmer in it, which is going to help blend out and soften everything. Because shimmers aren't as harsh as mattes can be, in the sense of like they blend a little easier. There's a little bit more oils in them. So all in all, they just kind of make everything look smoother. Ooh, I'm loving this so far. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Okay, I had to bust out the mirror because holding that up was hurting my hand. I need to work my hands out, clearly. Okay, so far I've used Soothe in 2 finishes and Aura. So now I kind of need to figure out where I want to go next from here. I think I want to go in with Poet, with the Morphe M456. Poet is the burgundy one right here. Super pretty. I think it'll go really well with my shirt. I start with a little bit because I don't know how pigmented, or not pigmented, I don't know how powdery this is going to be, so. I'm just going to build it up out here. Ooh, this shade, you guys, is so pretty. Actually, I kind of want to put this all over my lid. And then go over it with like a shimmer. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Which is funny because I don't usually like purples and pinks. It's not really my thing. But this one, I'm loving this color. These really have a lot of grip to them. I can tell they're gonna stay put for sure. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of Soothe on a smaller brush and Story, which is like that burnt orange, and mix it into the crease to work on blending that out. I wanna try and use as many shades as possible with still having a dramatic but wearable look, just because I really want to show you guys how they perform. I'm gonna go in with my original blending brush and Soothe and Aura this time to blend out the edges even further. So that's blending up really nicely. I'm liking that a lot so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the next eye. Ooh, I actually want to bring the orange up further on this side now. That was an accident, but a good accident because I love it. Yeah, I like that up a little higher. I try and keep my eyeshadow lower for everyone just because, I don't know. I like my makeup how I like my makeup, so I'm sorry if you don't like how high I bring my eyeshadow up. That's just, you know, just keep it lower if you don't like a higher, vice versa. My eyes are very different, so like getting them to match takes, it's a process. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the big fluffy brush, grab a little bit of Aura, and because now I know it's so pigmented, really get off a lot of the excess. And then go over those edges very gently because I don't want to disturb the Poet too much. Okay, so let's try out the sequence. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Poet in the sequence on a flat brush. Just wanna see. Oh, I'm getting a little fallout with the sequence. So I'm gonna try my finger, see if I get less fallout with it. It has really pretty, like, flecks in it. I love that. That's so pretty. But I do get less fallout when I use my finger. I have never felt an eyeshadow that feels like this. Like, it feels different. This one specific texture, I've never felt that before. I need to play with the glitters. I don't know which one I want to play with. I really don't know. I really love like the pink I have going on, but I think I want a little bit of contrast. So I'm gonna pick up Aura in the pressed glitter. Oh wow, I'm like barely touching, but I actually, just to be safe, I'm gonna grab a wipe, set it here. That's pretty. Okay, so let's see how well it goes on with the brush. Oh wow, it actually goes on with a brush. What? That's crazy. Every time you do a pressed glitter with a brush, it literally just falls off. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Do you see this? Like that? That's real pretty. I would say it's quicker with your finger, but to get like right up in the crease, using the brush works. That is stunning. Oh my Lord. That is beautiful. Ooh, glitter and sparkly. Yay, I love it. I'm not usually a glitter person because it gets everywhere. But no mess. So hooray for that. Hallelujah. I kind of like it how it is, but I just need a little bit of dimension. So I'm gonna pick up the Ritual and see how dark this is compared to the glitter. And stamp it over top. Feel like I just need like a little something. The reason I'm doing this is just because, again, glitter. And I did my foundation already. Oh, well, that came out nicely. Look at that. Ooh, that was so easy. So right here, we're gonna see how different my eyes are. This one clearly droops down more, and then this one goes up more. I can bring the shadows to the exact same area, but then it's gonna look so different, so I have to actually alter like where I end it so that they look pretty even. My eyes are so different and it drives me bonkers. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Story to mix in to blend out. This is stunning, you guys. Oh. You guys, I'm all about this. The under eye, I'm gonna grab a flat definer brush and I'm gonna go into Memory, which is the matte black. And we'll see how black this is. Oh my. That's black. Oh my, that's really black. Okay, I was not prepared for that. Okay, so now I need to grab another definer brush and pick a Ritual. And then I'm gonna grab the little blending brush, pick up Story. Yo, she nailed it when it comes to black, you guys. Like, I mean, she's nailed this whole palette so far. What I'm saying is, like, blacks are tricky. Clean this off. I'm gonna mix in Soothe. I'm like doing everything I can to lighten this up because I didn't expect it to be that dark. I'm like, ah! It's a good problem to have. And then I'm gonna take our fluffy brush, go into Aura. There we go, that'll lighten it up. Wow, that really lightened it up. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you guys ever go too heavy-handed with the smoking out your lower lash line, grab this, dude, fixes your problems. Like, do you see how it's just giving me a nice sharp line, you guys? That's how pigmented this shade is. You want a nice cut line right there. Jeez Louise. Okay, you guys, so that is the look that I created using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. This is stunning, you guys. Like, it's so good and it's easy to use. I'm shocked. I really am. I'm most shocked with the black and the pressed glitters. I knew she was gonna kill with mattes because I know how picky she is with mattes. But pressed glitters are incredibly tricky and blacks are incredibly tricky. And she nailed it. So those 2 points right there are where I'm just like, okay, she seriously killed this palette. She hit it out of the park. I've come across incredible mattes. I've come across incredible shimmers. I've come across just like incredible layouts like she has. But first off, the sequins, never seen that before. I loved that. And never have I come across pressed glitters that are that good. And then also, and like they didn't really stick to me at all, which was crazy. And then the black was the best black I've ever seen. And I tried that one single black. It's called The Blackest Black. I think it's by Natasha Denona or the other one. Anyway, it's better than that one. And that was supposed to be like the best black on the market. But 2 thumbs up, 10 thumbs up. Can I give 10 thumbs up? I don't know. It's incredible. I love it. I'm going to get so much use out of this. I'm actually going to go ahead and pre-order a second one for my clients because this will make doing clients makeup so easy. Like, less stuff I have to carry. I don't have to carry around all these glitters and that and that and that. This will make it just so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-order another one so I have it for my clients for this upcoming holiday season. Hopefully it restocks before that. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm actually sorry I didn't get to swatches because now that I think about it, I don't even need to swatch them. I love it. It's incredible. So I don't even know what swatches would do. But yeah, if you have questions about anything else on my skin, go ahead and ask me. I will have everything listed for you guys in the description box. I'm loving my makeup. Too bad I have nowhere I need to go because I'm ready to party. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out. I love you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you are watching this to the very end, give it a thumbs up. Let me know. So I love you guys so much. If you want to check out this palette, I will have the pre-order link down below. Not affiliated whatsoever. But anyways, I'm just rambling at this point because I'm just so happy to be back to filming. So I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah. Bye.